Hey guys, today we're going to do a total declutter and organization of my closets. So come on, what are you waiting for? Let's go. Look at this, guys. I've got clothes everywhere. Oh my goodness. See the piles? These are my t-shirts on these old Walmart racks, and these are all my tanks from Old Navy. All this needs to be sorted, decluttered, organized. Guys, I have to fit all this in my closet too, so we have a lot to do. I've been painting in here, that's why that stuff's there.
Front porch sipping on the rocks, citrus in our beverages, citrus in our beverages, show only the good sides, always pretty smiles are covering our faces, you know it is all lies, you know it is all lies. On and on it goes, round and round the rodeo, breathing out air for a minute, taking my time to begin with. On and on it goes, swinging down in life, you know, breathing out air for a minute, yeah. Hey, would you rather stay right here, make everything disappear, keep playing my favorite song, put your rose-colored glasses on. What if we stay right here, make everything disappear, lay low in the beaching sun, put your rose-colored glasses on. Everybody's business. Why don't we all calm down? Why don't we all calm down? I think I'm the wrong size, not enough room for everybody's egos. Why don't we all calm down? Why don't we all calm down? On and on it goes, round and round the rodeo, breathing out air for a minute, taking my time to begin with. On and on it goes, swinging down in life, you know, breathing out air for a minute, yeah. Hey, would you rather stay right here, make everything disappear, keep playing my favorite song, put your rose-colored glasses on. What if we stay right here, make everything disappear, lay low in the beaching sun, put your rose-colored glasses on, yeah, put your rose-colored glasses on, yeah, yeah, yeah. Isn't this a good life, sitting on the front porch sipping on the rocks, citrus in our beverages, citrus in our beverages, show only the good sides, always pretty smiles are covering our faces, you know it is all lies, you know it is all lies. Hey, would you rather stay right here, make everything disappear, keep playing my favorite song, put your rose-colored glasses on. What if we stay right here,
Oh my gosh, guys. This rack that I was going to put in here is too small. So I have two choices. I can either try and make it fit or just do the best I can until I find one that fits this size. And you would have thought I would have worked that out before I got it, right? Oh well.
You've been hiding in the shadows way too long. You always thought that you were weak, but babe, you're wrong. Yeah, you better step into the light, just give it a try. Think that it's time you let that spark out. You've been hiding in the shadows way too long. And who cares if you might mess it up? You're stronger than the others think. And who cares if you might mess it up? Go ahead and shine, darling. Go ahead and shine, my dear. 'Cause who cares if you might mess it up? Just shine. You shouldn't doubt yourself, 'cause you're a work of art. You should know that you are perfect with those flaws. Yeah, you better step into the light, just give it a try. Know that it's time you let that spark out.
Guys, they say it will look worse before it looks better, so oh my gosh, it feels like it's never ending. See, if we take these from in here and fold them up, move them to the bottom, then I have extra space to put other clothes, because I still have a lot to organize.
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way, don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand, look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright. I'll be right here, I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer, I wanna stay here with
Guys, look at this. The shelves are emptied and this is ready for me to finish drywall, painting, and eventually we're gonna have some more shelves at the top there to hang like dresses and stuff like that. I'm out of breath because I've been moving the shelves.
I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night. The summer night, the summer night. The summer night, the summer night. Someday we will look back, and our hearts will be whole again. I want to remember all that happened to us. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night.
Guys, I am absolutely exhausted. Okay, in this wardrobe, see I put the t-shirts, long sleeve tops and tees, jeans down here at the bottom, and shorts. I don't know if you can see, it's not good lighting, but anyway, shorts down there and some shoes right there. I'm going to change this up, but for right now it works. And in the other one I have like capris, workout pants, leggings, and biker shorts, regular shorts, sleepwear, loungewear. And in here I have tanks, my Old Navy tanks. Let me close this so that there's more light. Oh, I can't, never mind. Okay, tanks, and down here the sweaters. And I will link below the Amazon boxes just in case y'all want them. And finally, sleep shorts, lounge shorts, sleep tanks, t-shirts, and sweatpants, workout pants, long sleeve tops, workout tops. I really like the new bedroom, guys. I hope you like it too. Please join me on, I think it'll be Wednesday, when I redo my boys' closets. Now,